18D Project. Bumper Renew. This is the product we will use. Product from Aeropack. Molding trim and restores faded trim and moldings. Bring the black back. Contain 500 milliliters. Revives color and protects exterior plastics, vinyl and rubber, molded plastic bumpers and grills. Bumpers look like new. Let's check on the other sides. There are the other information of this product. Aeropack Bumper Renew restores the color and the richness to bumpers, trims, and moldings on your car. Once applied, this also gives additional protection, helping to reduce any further fading caused by the sun and pollution. Aeropack from Australia, filled in China. Component of deionized water 20%, silicone oil 80%. Distributed by Mr. D.I.Y. Can check on the website www.mrdytu.com. There are the instruction on how to use this product. We will go through the process later. First aid. General, immediately remove any clothing soiled by the product. Inhalation, supply fresh air and to be sure call for a doctor. Skin contact, immediately wash with water and soap and rinse thoroughly. Eye contact, rinse open eye for several minutes under running water. After swallowing, if symptoms persist, consult doctor. First, let's go to car wash. To make sure the bumper clean. Let's try this product. Prepare the microfiber towel. Use the towel to wipe it on bumper. Just spray and wipe. It's working. Spray at all surface. The result is awesome. Recommended product.